And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 2-pack of swimming goggles. Nothing to really show you around the box, just the sticker there, 2-pack adult swimming goggles, light blue and white. Let's open it up, show you what you get here. Wow, nothing else in the box. They do include a little instruction set. That's pretty nice to prevent fog and usage information. And look at this, wow. So they even come in this very nice case. So you turn it this way to unlock it, and then you can take out your goggles. Look at that. Very, very nice cushion here on the front for around your eyes. Nice stretchable band. UV shield, anti-fog. But very nice looking goggles. I mean, these feel like really, really good quality, and I think they would not let any water get into your eyes. I mean, these are very nice. Let's take a look at the other set. Love this case. Like, what? They do also include a couple of different nose gaps here, so that way if this one's too small and you need a longer one, you have that. This is the white pair. Wow. They include the same little nose pieces and then a nice white pair of swimming goggles. These are so amazing. Little company logo there. That's about the only branding I see is the one on the side here. But these feel nice. Material feels nice and strong. The plastic feels nice and strong. Like, these are not cheap goggles. These are some really good swimming goggles. Wow. I think that'll do it for this 2-pack of adult swimming goggles unboxing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.